Hey friends, welcome back to Learn English Whole Day. I'm James, and I'm here to help you speak English with more confidence, more ease, and more joy. Today's topic is something deeply important, something every English learner experiences at some point: fear. The fear of speaking English and the challenge of building real confidence while doing it. Have you ever felt nervous when speaking English? Do you worry about making mistakes? Do you feel shy, even when you know the right words? If your answer is yes, you're not alone. Millions of learners around the world feel exactly the same way. But here's the good news. You can overcome this fear step by step. And today, I'll show you how. So, take a deep breath. And let's begin. What is fear? Fear is a strong word, but it's also a real one. Many learners don't just feel a little nervous, they feel scared, shy, and sometimes even stuck. It's like something inside whispers, "Don't speak, you'll mess up." If you've ever felt that way, know this: you're not alone. But why do we feel like this? Why does speaking English sometimes feel so hard? Let's look at some common reasons. Maybe you've thought things like, "I'm afraid of making mistakes. What if I say the wrong word? What if my grammar isn't perfect? What if people laugh at me? What if they don't understand me?" These thoughts make you want to stay quiet. Another common fear is, what if I sound silly? You might worry that your accent or voice sounds strange. But here's the truth: your accent is not bad. It's part of who you are. It tells your story. It shows where you come from. Your accent is a strength, not a weakness. All these thoughts and feelings are completely normal. Every English learner experiences them. But remember, these are thoughts, not facts. Just because you feel scared doesn't mean you can't speak. You can speak even if it's not perfect. Fear and confidence. Fear isn't really about English. It's not about grammar or vocabulary. It's about confidence, your belief in yourself. Sometimes that small voice in your head says, "Be careful. Don't say anything. You might get it wrong." That voice is fear. But you don't have to listen to it. You can speak anyway. And here's something powerful: confidence is built, not given. You aren't born with it. You create it by speaking, by trying, by practicing. Think of confidence like a muscle. Use it daily, and it grows stronger. Avoid it, and it stays weak. Every time you speak even one small sentence, you're training that muscle. Each word you say makes you stronger. And remember, fear isn't always bad. It means you're learning, growing, and stepping outside your comfort zone. That's the learning zone where progress happens. So next time you feel afraid, remind yourself, this is just a feeling. I can still speak. I'm learning. I'm getting stronger. Building real confidence. Let's talk about how to build real, lasting confidence. Fake confidence. Not big words, but a genuine belief in yourself. Confidence doesn't appear like magic. It grows slowly, like a small plant, with time, care, and attention. Here are some strategies that truly work. 1. Start small, but be consistent. Confidence grows through small, regular steps. You don't need to do big things. Small actions, done often, are far more powerful. Try speaking English for 1 minute a day. Think in English for 30 seconds. Say a short sentence out loud to yourself. It might seem small, but over the time, it becomes natural. The more you do it, the less scary it feels. Soon, speaking English will feel as normal as brushing your teeth. 2. Understand that mistakes are part of learning. One of the biggest reasons people feel afraid is because they don't want to make mistakes. But mistakes aren't bad, they're essential. Think of a baby learning to walk. It falls many times before taking its first steps. Each mistake is a sign of progress. So don't try to be perfect. Try to learn from your mistakes, not fear. Team. 3. Don't wait for confidence. Create it. Many learners say, "I'll speak when I feel ready." But if you wait for the perfect moment, you might wait forever. Confidence doesn't come before speaking, it comes after. You feel confident because you spoke, because you tried. It's like building a house. You Don't wait for it to appear. You build it, brick by brick, sentence by sentence. 4. Be kind to yourself. If you feel nervous or forget a word, it's okay. If someone doesn't understand you, it's okay too. Don't say, I'm terrible. Say, I'm learning. I'm trying. I'm getting better. Kindness fuels confidence. True confidence isn't loud or perfecthits.com, steady and kind. Confidence killers and how to defeat them. And let's talk about what destroys confidence and how to stop it. Here are the 3 biggest confidence killers. 1. Comparing yourself to others. You might hear someone speak fluently and think, I'll never be that good. But that comparison steals your confidence. You don't know their journey may be. They've studied for years or live in an English-speaking country. Your story is unique. Compare yourself only to your past self. Ask, can I say more than I could last month? Do I understand more than I did before? If yes, then you're growing, and that's all that matters. 2. Negative self-talk. That little voice saying, you sound stupid. You can't do this. It's lying. Everyone hears that voice, sometimes even native speakers. The key is not believing it. Speak to yourself as you would to a friend. It's okay to make mistakes. I'm learning every day. Positive words create positive confidence. 3. Speaking only in safe places. Many learners only speak English in class or when they feel 100% ready. But real life isn't perfect hand. Neither are real conversations. If you always stay in your comfort zone, you'll never grow. Try small challenges. Say thank you in English in a shop. Ask a simple question online. Send a short voice note to a learning partner. Each small risk helps your confidence grow stronger. Final thoughts. Confidence is like a small plant. Protect it. Don't let comparison, negative thoughts, or fear destroy it. You're building something beautiful. Be proud of your journey. Celebrate your progress. And remember, every time you speak, you're proving to yourself that you can. Thanks for listening, and thanks for learning with me. I'm James, and this is Learn English Whole Day. Keep learning. Keep speaking. And most of all, keep believing in yourself.